Hi everyone, hope you watched the entire video. See how fast I can solve this tricky math problem. So 3 plus -8 goes first. 8 minus 3 equals 5. And then keep the sign of the bigger number, so it's -5. Next, I drop the 7 minus 3 divided by 4 times -5 in parentheses, and I'll erase this for space. Next, I write a division symbol for the division bar, and then write 6 divided by 2, and in parentheses, 2 plus 1 equals. 2 plus 1 goes first, that's 3. So I'll write 3 in parentheses equal. Next, 3 divided by 4 goes first. I write it in a fraction form. And I'll write the 7 and the other numbers in fraction form as well. So 7 over 1 minus, we have 3 over 4 times, write the -5 in fraction form, -5 over 1, divided by, do the same for the 6, 6 over 1, divided by, do the same for the 2, 2 over 1, and lastly, times, do the same for the 3, 3 over 1 equals. Next, multiplication goes first, so we multiply across. 3 times -5 equals -15 over 4 times 1 is 4, and this cannot be broken down further. And then I erase this part and then write in -15 over 4, and that's a division symbol. I use keep, change, flip, so I keep -15 over 4, change division to multiplication, and lastly flip 6 over 1, becoming 1 over 6, multiply across. -15 times 1 is -15 over 4 times 6 is 24. Next, I'll erase this and write in -15 over 24. And I use the keep, change, flip rule again. So I keep -15 over 24, change division to multiplication, and then lastly flip 2 over 1, becoming 1 over 2, and then I'll multiply across. So -15 times 1 is -15 times 3, so 5 times 3 is 15, 3, 4, so it's -45. That's the numerator. And then the bottom part, so over 24 times 2 is 48, times 1 is 48. And that can be broken down because notice that 30 plus 15 is 45, and then 30 plus 15 is 45, plus 3 is 48. 48. So it goes by threes. So you can fit, and I'll use a different color here. So you can fit 10 threes in 30. You can fit 5 threes into 15, right? 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 10 is 30. And the same thing here. You can fit 10 threes into 30. You can fit 5 threes into 15. And you only can fit 3 into 3 one time. So your numerator is 10 plus 5. That's 15 over 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. So we broke that down further. 45 over 48 is the same as 15 over 16. There you go. Next, I'll erase all this for space and write the 7 over 1 larger minus 5, and it's -15 over 16. And I use the butterfly method because the denominators are different. So yes, I will draw 2 wings, 2 antennas, and a body, and you multiply what's inside the wings and then write the results above the antennas. And here's the body. 1 times 16 is 16, so that's our denominator. And look at that, it's a pretty butterfly. Next, we multiply 7 times 16, so that's 16 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 1 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 12. So 112, and 1 times -15 is just -15. And then we subtract. So 112, and then you change subtraction to addition, and then change -15 to +15. And so you just add. So that's 7. That's 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So your numerator is positive 27, and this cannot be broken down further. So your answer is 127 over 16. Next, let's find the mixed number answer to this improper fraction answer. So I'll write the 127 over 16. Then I'll write the mixed number answer there, and then the mixed number answer there, and then the decimal answer there using long division. So here's the long division symbol, and I'll write the dividend, which is 127, and the 16 goes outside the long division symbol. That is the divisor. So let's break this up. So you need to figure out how many 16s can fit in 127. So let's do it by 20, because you can fit 16 into 20. Make the numbers easy. So 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20, that's 100. 100. And then another 20, that's 120, and then 7, 127. So that equals 127. You can fit 16 in you can fit 16 into 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1 and 7. So you can fit 16 into 127 7 times. And next you multiply 16 times 7. So that's 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 4. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 112. Oops, why am I erasing that? So 112, 112, and then you subtract 7 minus 2, so 7, take away 2, 7 take away 2 is 5, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So your mixed number answer is 7, the whole number. This is the whole number. The remainder, 15, goes above the fraction bar, and then 16 goes below the fraction bar. And this is your mixed number answer. This is your improper fraction answer. And then I want you to figure out the decimal answer by continuing the long division, and then put those answers in the comment section down below. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And if you subscribe, thank you so much for subscribing and showing your support. Also, don't forget to hit that like button if you got the right answer. And again, don't forget to type in your decimal answer in the comment section down below. I'll be giving hearts to those that do. And again, thank you everyone for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.